Hello, welcome you back to my channel, FICOM Academy, and today we are going to learn chemistry. The topic is atomic structure. So quickly, I'm going to write the title there so you can see clearly. Then we'll carry on from there. So we're going to write today atomic structure. So we're going to learn those particles found in the structure of atoms, okay? And I'm going to consider a given atom. So already you can start by labeling the outer part there, which is called the shell or orbit. Shell or orbit for that one. And then if you get inside here, at the center of this atom, you got two particles normally. Some element doesn't have two or more, they're just a model. I'm going to put positive for one of them. The second one, I'm going to put nothing. So the one that has a positive charge is called proton. You can as well guess and then label alongside with me. And this other one had got no charge is called the neutron. Okay, neutron. And then we have the last one, which is constantly revolving around this shell. Okay, we call that one electron. It's constantly revolving, electron. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to look at shortly is the masses of those, and then we finish up from there. So over here, let's look at the masses. I'm going to write it down, the masses of those particles. We start with the mass of electron, E for electron. Mass of electron is relatively small, so that is going to be about 0.0005, or sometimes we put 0 there. The mass of proton, P for proton, is going to be 1. These are all found by experiment. Then the mass of a neutron is relatively 1 as well. So coming back to this, so these two particles are there at the center of the atom, which are the proton and neutron, because they are held by strong nuclear force. Okay, what that means is that you've got the center there, which is called the nucleus. So the center of that atom there is called nucleus. Let me put it here for you to see. Nucleus. So there is a strong nuclear force there that is keeping these two particles together. And then we also have electrostatic force, which is the force of attraction or repulsion, depending. But in this case, is an attractive force between electron here and then that of the proton. So the next one we compare now is the charges. So quickly, let's make another list somewhere here. So in terms of the charges, we've got charges starting with the electron. The charge of electron is -1, charge of proton is +1, and then the charge of neutron is 0. Neutron has got no charge. Right, hope this helps today. Remember to stick around in this channel. We've got lots of lessons coming, and next lesson we shall be learning about periodic table. Bye.